Okay, real talk. If you are hunting for a hosting coupon, stop going to those sketchy coupon websites. You know the ones. They promise a code and then it just doesn't work. So frustrating. I have the cheat code for you. Just click the link in my description. Seriously, that's it. The link automatically applies the best hosting your discount code in the background. You don't have to copy or paste anything. Whether you're starting a blog, building a side hustle website, or an online store, Hostingear is super beginner friendly. The dashboard is clean, you can install WordPress in one click, and they even have an AI builder if you want something to look professional really fast. Plus, free SSL, free backups, and free email are all baked in, so no extra fees. But here is the part I love. You'll land on the page and think, okay, this price is pretty good. But then, when you go to checkout using my link, the Hostingear promo code kicks in and the price drops again, usually like 20% more. It's like a secret little discount party at the last second. I'd suggest grabbing the premium plan. It gives you everything you need without going overboard. And hey, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can literally try it and see if you like it. So yeah, if you want the lowest price possible, click that link in my bio or description right now. It's the only working Hostingear coupon code 2026 you need. Go lock it in.